Michelle and Barack Obama Sports Complex, and we are hosting a STEM Fest with UCLA and MESA. Okay, we have VR, we have 3D printer, we have drones, they can make a car. We are also engaging in chemistry, biology, aviation.
You know, I'm just really blown away by the participation today. All the parents, all the students who could have been doing anything else at 9 a.m. on a Saturday morning, but they're out here learning about STEM. They're learning about the present and they're learning about the future. Look, if we're gonna continue to progress as a society, we're gonna need future engineers, future scientists, and this needs to be an inclusive exercise. We need all communities represented, and it's really, really inspiring to see these folks out here. Los Angeles, California, the fourth largest economy in the world. Los Angeles, the second largest city in the country. Just radically diverse and inclusive. We need our kids to be a part of that future, really, that's going to make the discoveries and all the progress that we need to continue to advance. So I'm really, really excited to see them here today. It's important for UCLA because, of course, we're rooted deeply in Los Angeles, and we want to see these kids come to UCLA in another 5-10 years, depending upon how old they are. So this is really, really an important day, and I'm really excited about the turnout.
Right now, we're having the kids do a little marshmallow challenge using our pasta sticks and marshmallows right here. So we try to want to make them create a tower as tall and stable as possible, but also trying to support a giant marshmallow at the top. So right now, we're just having them explore their tactility with materials and see, you know, just their creativity and design.
It's extremely important for our MESA to be a part of these events. MESA's work is to introduce STEM to all students as early as possible, as often as possible, and to be able to work with partners who share the same mission. This gives the opportunity to bring these types of experiences to communities, and we love being a part of this. So in terms of the projects that I saw, I really like the steam engine, the little miniature steam engine. Just to see those types of devices in action, in miniature form, I thought was really cool. But in general, if you go around, you see the smiles that students have when they're at each station, and the parents, the smiles that they have seeing their kids enjoying the event, I think is really what something like this is all about.
Engaging environment, not in a dry academic environment.
Right.
Because kids don't learn when it's just because they need to get their hands dirty, they need to be immersed in it, they need to feel it, touch it, and experience it. Like this is what's so amazing. Instead of just textbook learning, you know?
Yeah.
And Jules is going to share some more about
We're excited to sponsor our second annual UC STEM Fest here in Los Angeles. The University of California is committed to students' access and opportunity, in particular in STEM, so this is a great way for us to bring STEM directly to the community where they're able to do hands-on exercises and experiments.
Shake it, so when you open it, and then it just explodes. And this one is different. It's different because when you add vinegar and one of those Alka-Seltzer, it will fizz and then it will pop out.